Hello everyone and welcome back to ProdHut channel. Today we are discussing the best touchscreen laptops under 50,000 rupees. All of a sudden, people have been slowly neglecting the usage of computers. They have been transferring their support towards the touchscreen laptops. Like mobile phones, touchscreen laptops and desktops have gained an enormous fan base because of their ease of use and easier accessibility. Most people prefer using a touchscreen laptop, especially the ones in the professional area. Suppose you are a graphic designer or a game designer. In that case, you will understand the touchscreen laptop's requirement because they allow you to draw the images directly on the screen rather than using a separate like them and other accessories. One of the significant disadvantages of using a touchscreen laptop is that they are available for low prices like 30,000 or 40,000 rupees. If you want to purchase a basic touchscreen laptop, you will have to go for a price of rupees 50,000. Anything below this special price will be of low quality. So if you have decided to purchase a touchscreen laptop, then be prepared to buy one with suitable qualifications. The display of the laptop will also have a 4K resolution. This particular laptop comes along with a variety of pros and cons. Let us now see in detail the pros of these laptops and why people prefer them. If you are looking for a laptop with a touchscreen, then you should know that there are particular reasons why people prefer them. This specific laptop can be used as a tablet and also as a laptop. Sure, the accessibility to the keyboard is optional, and depending upon your requirement, you can choose. The first and most crucial advantage of why people prefer this touchscreen is because they are much faster, easier, and more fun to use. If you are a student or a programmer, you will understand why they are more relaxing than a standard laptop. You can simply flip over the fold and use them as a tablet with a relaxed posture. Also, using a touchscreen will allow you to directly contact the elements, which will be more intuitive and will enable you to understand the concepts in detail. The touchscreen laptops have low response time and hence they are faster than standard screens. Combining the touchscreen laptop with a pen input device will allow you to draw directly on. This feature is particularly useful for graphic designers and animation developers. You can also directly write on the laptop and your words will now be converted into the text, especially if you are using a Windows 8 and a more advanced operating system. This concept can save a lot of time and energy in upcoming future. Cons of using a touchscreen laptop. One of these laptops' major complaints was that it was difficult to use certain functions and controls like scroll bars and a close button in a touchscreen because of their smaller size. So, to overcome this disadvantage, recently Windows 8 has been creating more that are optimized interfaces that are larger and suitable for all types of fingers. Also, if you have issues using a touchscreen laptop, you can always convert it into the standard laptop and start using them in the required situations. The screen of the laptop can get damaged easily, especially with greasy fingers and constant smudges. But this has been neglected by most people as they prefer cleaning the screen now and then. Using the right quality screen cleaner solution will be useful in such cases. Along with these pros and cons, certain things need to be considered while purchasing a touchscreen laptop. Let us now see about them in detail. Screen display and resolution. The first important thing that you need to take care of while purchasing a laptop is that it should be of a large screen size so that you can enjoy efficiency and accessibility. Buying a laptop with a screen size of 14 inches and above will be more suitable. The size will be the most crucial thing if you are a graphic designer because you can hold them conveniently while making drawings and while building other vital programs. The laptop should also have a satisfactory resolution. Purchasing a laptop with 4K resolution or 1080 pixel resolution will be more suitable for your requirement. The clarity is more important since you are directly working with the screen and not the keyboard. Color quality of the screen should also be perfect since most of the time the user will prefer using touchscreen to be exposed to a considerable amount of light. So in such a situation, having a screen with proper UV radiation protection will allow you to enjoy watching them without worrying about your eyes. Flip technology. Even though particular laptops come with screen technology, The screen will remain intact with the 180-degree rotating angle. The technology is convenient, but purchasing a 360-degree rotating laptop that allows you to convert the laptop into a Word notebook using flip or folding technology will be more useful. They can be accessed quickly and you will be able to carry them everywhere like a notebook. You can sit anywhere and work on this flip technology laptops, and they will allow you to work anywhere. Even if there is a shortage of space, the hold on the laptop will be more efficient and you will feel more convenient while using them. Thin model laptop. Along with these features, the thickness of the laptop also plays an important role. Since this flip technology touchscreen laptops are being used everywhere, it should be of a thin model. Using a thin model laptop will allow you to carry it around, and along with that, if the weight of the laptop is also low, you will not hesitate to hold them and work with them everywhere. All these laptops are useful in a variety of cases. Gaming developers and graphic designers use them. Sometimes the student also prefers to use these laptops because of their efficiency and fun nature. So while purchasing a laptop, make sure that it has all these features combined with other essential features like an excellent efficient RAM memory, enough hard disk space, and a good quality battery that can last for a lifetime. Most of the touchscreen laptops have a good quality processor like Intel Core i5 or i7, which are more suitable in these cases. Given below are specific models available commonly in the market, which can be purchased directly from online websites like Amazon and Flipkart. You can also purchase them from local shops. Here are a few recommendations. Asus VivoBook Flip 14 TP412FA-EC371 TS 14-inch laptop, 10th generation Core i3 /10110U /4GB /512GB SSD Windows 10 Home 64-bit integrated Intel UHD graphics star gray. Description: 14 inches widescreen laptop with Intel Core i3 processor and 10th generation model. 4GB RAM memory combined with 512GB SSD memory. Latest model flip screen with touch technology. Pre-installed Windows 10 home operating system. HP Pavilion 36011 AD106TU 11.6-inch HD touchscreen convertible laptop. Description: 11.6 inches widescreen laptop with Intel Core i3 processor. 4GB RAM memory combined with 1TB of HDD memory. Latest model convertible screen with touch technology. Pre-installed Windows 10 operating system. Dell Inspiron 5570 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen laptop. Description: 15.6 inches widescreen laptop with Intel Core i5 processor. 12GB RAM memory combined with 1TB HDD memory. Latest model flip screen with touch technology. Pre-installed Windows 10 home operating system. High quality audio systems with Bluetooth. HP Spectre 360 touchscreen laptop. Description: 15.6 inches widescreen laptop with Intel Core i7 processor and 8th generation model. 16GB RAM memory combined with 512GB SSD memory. Latest model flip screen with touch technology. 4K model Ultra HD. Lenovo IdeaPad Flexi 5i 10th generation Intel Core i3 14-inch IPS FHD 2-in-1 convertible laptop. Description: 14 inches widescreen laptop with Intel Core i3 processor and 10th generation Flexi model. 8GB RAM memory combined with 256GB SSD memory. Latest model Chrome technology. Pre-installed Windows 10 home operating system and MS Office. Technology software. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like and share and subscribe to Prodhart channel.